Okay, so this is what my bunny does when he wants to get his yogi treat. Want a yogi? Ooh, he wants a yogi. Really bad. So, gosh. Come here. I got the yogi over here. Come here, bud. Come on. Come on. There. I want his yoga. I don't know why he likes these so much. Come here, bud. It's crazy. It's like, I want some. Baby wants a yoga treat. Here, bud. Such a good boy. Good boy, Tofu.